Breaking news is coming from Superset mass hiring. In this video, I'm going to share with you urgent Superset hiring, one more opportunity. But I want to tell you about that government announced Grid India, which is absolutely for engineering, civil, finance, computer science, IT and HR students. If you see, your application deadline will be 8th of February, but you can't apply. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पर अगर PDF देखोगे इतनी ज्यादा मैच्ड है कि you did not understand how to apply. Watch video till end. I will tell you about urgent Superset hiring plus this government opportunity plus Ardent Software Service Limited, which is going to be a big mass hiring software engineer trainee Java full stack role. Now watch video till end. Software engineer trainee Java full stack role is there. Bangalore location is there. If you scroll down, only Java developer is required. It means if you know front end, back end, database plus SQL, MongoDB जो भी तुम्हें आता है वो अगर है तो you are eligible. Bangalore location is there. 0 to 6 months of experience is needed, means obviously fresher is eligible. Java, advanced Java, SQL, object oriented, RESTful API, full stack architecture and these interface skill is required. Recent graduate means 25 only batches eligible. CSIT not 25, sorry for that, 23 up to 25 means 23, 24, 25 batches eligible and must be available for immediate joining because this is urgent hiring. The selected candidate will go under SAP training. तो ये बहुत बड़ी ट्रेनिंग होती है SAP की, मैं बता देता हूँ. This is the big level of course they are providing you training, so they should be prepared to learn new technology and to be open to relocation. And where you relocate? Bangalore location. Now what to do? If you see only fresher is eligible, full-time opportunity, it means this is open not only for only this month, is only 1 month you have because this is only open for 1 month means January, and this is closing soon. Click on I am interested and please give your updated resume. And if you scroll down here, you will get to see nothing like only these personal detail plus skill set and plus updated resume because there is shortlisting and this is absolutely for fresher. That's why you will not see anything related to experienced section और एजुकेशन बिकॉज एजुकेशन में BE BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस IT ही चाहिए जो कि लिखा है 23, 24, 25 बैचेस एलिजिबल. दैट्स इट. देयर इज रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग इफ यू आर पुटिंग फुल स्टैक डेवलपर डोमेन. अगर तुम इस तरीके से लिख रहे हो ना, कहाँ गया ये जावा फुल स्टैक, अगर ये कीवर्ड उठा के रेज्यूमे मेंशन करोगे देन यू विल सी द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल बिकॉज द रोल इज ऑल्सो फुल स्टैक जावा एंड दिस इज ट्रेनी रोल मीन्स दे विल प्रोवाइड यू ट्रेनिंग. So don't worry, just object oriented DBMS SQL is compulsory because candidate must have a strong foundation in Java, advanced Java, OOPS, DBMS and SQL. That's it. So please apply it as soon as possible. So urgent Superset hiring, 2 Superset hiring coming from 2 companies. First I am going to tell you about sales trainee. If you see here, Quest announced sales trainee, but the package is very good because 16,000, 25,000 per month is the package and 20,000 1 lakh incentive depend on the target achieved because this is sales level of role. That's why finance or BA BCom, these type of finance degree, commerce degree is eligible. And 15th Feb is the last date, so you can easily apply. You have time, but please apply it as soon as possible. This is urgent mass opportunity and urgent Superset hiring, so please apply it as soon as possible. Full time का पैकेज भी अच्छा ही होगा, उसके बाद इंक्रीमेंट वगैरह उसके बाद इंक्रीमेंट हो जाएगा बिकॉज फ्रेशर अप टू जितने ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस यू आर एलिजिबल. तो सेकंड सुपरसेट हायरिंग विप्रो जस्ट अनाउंस्ड विल पर 2 days ओनली लेफ्ट बिकॉज 30th January इज द लास्ट डेट. 15,000 per month is the package and every year they will increase your package. So this is 25 batch eligible. ठीक है, 10th 12th पास बस होनी चाहिए but 60% is compulsory in graduation and BCA BSc only is eligible in CSIT. You can see this is very limited time of opportunity, only 2 days is left and you can see that these are the criteria you have to follow. So there is round 1, then voice assessment is there means communication, then business discussion means interview is there, then 60 month maybe 3 year of bond is there and you can easily check the section 4 section is there and the minutes is also written and question is also written there. So this is basic level of online assessment you can easily crack. So please apply for this hiring as soon as possible because 25 only is eligible. And one more hiring but this time 24 25 both is eligible. School of IT infrastructure management, but again 2 days left and 12,000 per month is the package and all 4 years stipend you can see. So 50% here you can see criteria is there in diploma. 24 25 is eligible. Computer science IT software engineering is eligible. So online assessment again and same है पूरा but pre-skilling training मिलेगी after an interview after selection. 48 month का यहाँ service agreement है and if you see exact same online assessment section and the topics are there you will see in the online assessment because all if you see that all both is non-tech basically, that's why 80 minute and this type of section is there in both opportunity. So apply it as soon as possible and update your resume, then apply it. Now last opportunity. Now keep in mind, don't miss this hiring. Just listen carefully that GRID announced India. ठीक, GRID means your graduate apprenticeship opportunity ये लोग provide कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, for HR and finance and engineering background. So if you see here, already told you this type of students is eligible and this is online application you have to fill. So how to fill? First to understand this thing. So there is slot basically. If you see here that the New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata location, there are slot for each branches. You can easily check. But I want to tell you one thing. In computer science ID, first BE BTech BSc is eligible, and electrical BE BTech BSc is eligible in electrical, and in HR BE BCom BBA, and again in civil BE BTech BSc is eligible, or in finance BA BBA BCom is eligible. ठीक है, this criteria confirmed. Now scroll down. Must 80 years होनी चाहिए, 28 तक होनी चाहिए एज. Now scroll down. शॉर्टलिस्टिंग ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. देखो यहाँ पे चीजें हैं कि शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होगी, शैल बी पर्सनल इंटरव्यू इज देयर आफ्टर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग एंड यू कैन सी मे बी देयर इज नॉट अ ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट और मे बी देयर इज, क्योंकि ये ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन ओनली है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू आई थिंक आफ्टर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग, ठीक है. सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस इफ वी चेक दैट या इफ यू सी दैट इट इज मैंडेटरी फॉर योर कैंडिडेट टू अपीयर इन ऑल सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस एंड ऑल्सो क्वालिफाई इन द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे पर्सनल इंटरव्यू है और एक परसेंटेज ऑफ मार्क्स इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड क्वालिफिकेशन 85%, then personal interview 15%. Now application process, what is candidate should be registered themselves as a student and candidate on this NETS portal. So it's NETS portal पे you have to first register as a student, means you have to click on this student and you have to click on, then what to do, you have to अपडेट योर प्रोफाइल एंड नेट्स पे यहाँ पे क्लिक करके अप्लाई करना है. द कैंडिडेट ओनली वन लोकेशन एंगेजिंग बाय द, ठीक है. ये नॉर्मल चीज है, ये तुम रीड कर लेना. तो दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स इज कंपलसरी व्हाइल अप्लाइंग एंड इफ यू सी देयर इज नो एप्लीकेशन फॉर फीस फॉर एप्लीकेंट्स. दिस इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड पेमेंट ऑफ मंथली स्टाइपेंड इज 20,000 per month. So these are general information, means only last date is 31st. So these are general instruction, you must read this, ठीक है. ये अपने हिसाब से एक बार रीड कर लेना अच्छे से, बट कीप इन माइंड दैट 8th February इज द लास्ट डेट ऑफ दिस ऑनलाइन सबमिशन एप्लीकेशन. कट ऑफ डेट आएगी क्राइटेरिया की 8th में ही, जो भी होगा सब मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. नाउ हाउ टू अप्लाई, क्लिक ऑन जनरल स्टूडेंट, ठीक है. स्टूडेंट रेस्ट्रिक्शन पे क्लिक करना है. आफ्टर दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ डोमेन इज कंपलसरी, ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन यस, ठीक है. देन मोबाइल नंबर आएगा, ये सब आएगा और मैं बता देता हूँ ये तो तुम खुद ही कर लोगे, बट कीप इन माइंड कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या डोमेन मतलब क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए. आधार कार्ड, पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर, पासपोर्ट साइज फोटोग्राफ लेस देन 1 MB इन JPEG फॉर्मेट. देन आधार कार्ड अकाउंट मैप्ड, ठीक है, मतलब तुम्हारे बैंक अकाउंट की डिटेल, क्वालिफिकेशन, डिग्री और ये वगैरह चाहिए. फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ बैंक पासबुक एंड स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो 1 MB का होना चाहिए इन PDF फॉर्म. एंड प्रोविजनल डिग्री ऑफ योर ग्रेजुएशन मीन्स इन PDF फॉर्म में चाहिए, ठीक है. बस इतना ही करना है और कुछ नहीं. क्लिक ऑन यस. देन यू हैव टू गिव योर फोन नंबर, देन कैप्चा फिल करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू गिव योर ईमेल आईडी, देन सेंड OTP एंड प्लीज फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू विदाउट एनी फीस. दे आर गिविंग यू द अपॉर्चुनिटी अप टू 20,000 per month. All fresher is eligible and here you can see that a batch is not mentioned but all grads is eligible basically, like 25, 24, 23, even 22, 21 is also eligible. But if you are fresher you can easily apply. So please apply for this urgent superset edit and GRID India opportunity. This is apprenticeship of 1 year, ठीक है. Applied as soon as possible. इसका जो certification होगा this will enhance your value. Please grab this opportunity. Applied as soon as possible. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.